Let us see insightful learning theory by Kohler. It's also known as the Gestalt's theory of learning. Kohler learning theory by insight theory, Gestalt learning theory says that Kohler learnings by insight theory is related to the cognitive type of theory of learning. It was developed by a Gestalt psychologist. This theory is also known as Gestalt's theory of insightful learning. Insight learning theory was given by Wolfgang Kohler, Kurt Kofka and Max Werthner. This theory implies that when a particular situation is being learned, it does not help to learn only its parts but it helps to learn its whole. Learning is an exploration, purposeful and creative activity, but not a trial and error method of activity. Learning means reorganization of this perceptual field. Learning is dependent upon the intelligence of the individuals. Experiment of Kohler learning theory by insight theory. In one experiment, Kohler put a chimpanzee named Sultan inside a cage and banana was hung from the roof of the cage. The box was placed inside the roof of the cage. The Sultan tried to reach banana by jumping but could not succeed. Suddenly he got an idea and used the box as a jumping platform by placing it just below the hanging banana. In another experiment, Kohler made this problem more difficult. Now it is required 2 or 3 boxes to reach the banana. Moreover, the placing of the one box over the other required different specific arrangements. In another experiment, the banana was placed outside the cage of the chimpanzee. 2 sticks, one larger than the other, were placed inside the cage. One was hollow and one was at the end of the stick could be thrust into the form of longer stick. The banana was kept, could not be picked up by the one of the sticks. The chimpanzee first tried these sticks one after the other but failed. Suddenly he got a bright idea. The animal joined the 2 sticks together and reached the banana. In this experiment, Kohler used many different chimpanzees. Sultan, who was the most intelligent Kohler chimpanzee, could solve all the problems. Only chimpanzees could solve the problems only when they saw the Sultan solving them. With such experiments, Kohler concluded that in the solution of problems, his apes did not resort to blind trial and error mechanism. They could solve their problem intelligently. Kohler used the term insight to describe the learning of his apes. Insights involves in the following criteria. The situation as a whole perceived by the learner. The learner tries to judge the relationship between the various factors involved in the situation. As a result, the learner is helped in the sudden grasping of the solution of the problem. Gestalt theory. Gestalt psychologists also did the other experiment. They found that some stage there is a new organization of the perceptual field resulting in the field sudden discovery of the solution. Therefore, learning according to Gestalt's restructuring the field of perception thought insight. As a whole, insight depends on the following factors. One is experience. Past experience helps the insightful solution of the problem. A child cannot solve the problem of the modern mathematics unless he is well acquainted with its symbolic language. Intelligence. Insightful solution depends upon the basic intelligence of the learner. The more intelligent an individual is, the greater will be his insights. Learning situation. How insightfully the organism will react depends upon the situation which it has to act. Some situations are more favorable than others for an insightful solution. As a common observation, insight occurs when the learning situation is arranged that all the necessary aspects are open for observation. Initial efforts. Insightful learning has to pass through the process of trial and error, but this stage does not long. These initial efforts in the form of simple trial and error mechanism. The open way of insightful learning. Repetition and generalization. After having an insightful solution to a particular type of problem, the organism tries to repeat it in another situation, demanding the similar type of solution. The way found in one situation helps to react insightfully in the other identical situation. Thank you.